Hello and welcome to everyone. Welcome to tradingteacher.in. I am Anand Gyanbote. Today we are going to see the evening star pattern. We are going through the candlestick pattern from first episode number 1 to episode number 9, from dozy, hammer and so on. Now this is a pattern about evening star, and this pattern consists of 3 candlesticks. The first one is a bullish candlestick, and second one is a dozy candlestick, or it indicating the indecision candle, and the third one is the bearish candle, and this is most important. Market should be in a uptrend. So I am describe later what is this pattern. First of all, we need to understand what is the importance of this evening star pattern. Okay, so from episode number 1 we are looking from dozy, hammer and inverted hammer. If you are seeing this video first time, then you should watch all these videos for better understanding of this pattern. And we are explaining in this episode evening star candlestick pattern. This pattern is very much important, and this pattern happens generally in uptrend. Okay, and what is meant by evening star? The definition says that the evening star is a candlestick pattern containing 2 long candles and 1 short candle. That means doesn't mean that 2 long should be bullish. That is the definition. But the evening star pattern is viewed as a bearish reversal pattern. That means that in a you can consider the market currently is flowing like this, and just I will show here like ball pen. Okay, consider the market is going from in uptrend like this and this, and after this pattern happens, and this pattern has happened here. This one is bearish candle. Okay, and after this pattern the market can go in downside. Okay, we are taking examples, but you should take in mind that which high becomes here, that high doesn't come again in the market if you are seeing this pattern on 1-day chart. Okay, if you are seeing this pattern on 1-day chart, and this high doesn't come in the market again for next several days, several months or several years. I will explain it in later, because this pattern is very important and this pattern is very strong pattern. Okay, so don't take it as normally. Take this seriously. Okay, so this is one example of an Indian markets that I have taken from Bank of India, and I am showing you the pattern here, how it comes. The Bank of India coming from 460, it is just going upward daily, upward from 460 to around 580 or 570. After this day, this pattern was happened here. Means this evening star, how to identify this evening star pattern? The first candle should be bullish candle, then the second candle should be indecision candle. Means indecision means what? Open and close should be same, and highs and lows should be having more than that. Okay, it can be any type of dozy. So this is a dozy, long legged dozy formed here, and bearish candle. After this candle, the new trend can start in a downtrend. Okay, this pattern is very important, and what I have said earlier, that which high becomes in this 590, the high became here 590, then that high doesn't come in the market again till today, from 4 to 6 years. I think this Bank of India was at 590 or 590 around 2010. I will show it in your chart. Okay, so we are taking another example. This is example from forex market. I have taken USD JPY. The USD JPY was going daily in uptrend, and after this pattern was seen, then market is going to down like this. By default I have not taken that pattern here. Market can fall like this here. I am expecting this to fall. Okay, you have to take in a history of the chart, viewing the chart, daily chart of USD JPY. So because this pattern was a very important pattern. Okay, so now we are going into the charts. To go to the live charts, you have to visit www.tradingteacher.in/chart.html. I have already opened my chart here on my browser. So we are going in the chart in Indian markets. We are going to see that. So when you open this website www.tradingteacher.in, here the live chart option was there. You have to click on this. After you click on this, the chart will get appear by default of ACC, that is the ACC cement company, and the chart is showing here daily chart, 1-day chart. So observe all the patterns on 1-day chart because these patterns are very strong patterns. So we are going to find now the evening star pattern. I will show you it, and we will also look the Bank of India chart again. Okay, so we have opened here the ACC chart and we are going to find that pattern. Okay, generally that patterns appears in uptrend when the market is in uptrend. Currently the ACC was in a downtrend, so can we call it as a evening star? We can call it as a evening star. Okay, and this high became was around 1737. We can say here that high was 1733. That high still has not come in the market from today up to today. That high was not came in the market. Okay, this was a very strong reversal candle, bullish reversal candle. The market was going rapidly up and up and up again and again. I am just unzooming the chart to show that market was running from around 1243, that like this the market has gone in uptrend. We are going to say 1-day chart. Don't forget to see that 1-day chart. Just you can look this pattern as a evening star pattern. So this candle was indecision candle because as compared to this candle and this candle was very small. They opened here 1713 and sorry, this opened here 1723 and closed here 1714. Okay, so this pattern is evening star pattern. Okay, so what I am saying that this pattern is very much important, and the high becomes in that doesn't come again in the market. So we will take an example of Bank of India. So I am going to type here Bank of India. Bank India. Okay. So this is the 1-day chart. So it is around 117 and today's date is I think 16. No, today's date is 14th of January 2017, and we are going to find this pattern, a evening star pattern. Okay, on a daily chart. I have taken example from this when the Bank of India was around 580 or 560. So we are moving to that, and the current trend should be an uptrend on a daily chart. It's taking the time to load. Just wait for it. I think around 2010 this pattern was found here on daily chart. From that day Bank of India still not got that value. So this is around 2011 and we got that 500 here. Look, we got that candle here, that Bank of India was formed on daily chart. So from here to here, from 320 around 320 to 321 the market was going in uptrend, and I am just zooming over here. So observe this pattern now we have learned here. The market has come here in uptrend, and the bullish candle, indecision candle, doji. So this is the clear doji, and then the bearish candle. From that day the market has started to fall again and again and again, and the 590 or 589 rupees value was not came till today. So this is from 2010. This pattern was formed on 8 of 10th, that is I think October 2010. Now we are in 2017. From 17 years the Bank of India was not come again to up to 500 rupees. It is just not crossing about 150 rupees. Okay, so this trend was very stronger than any other candles patterns. Okay, if you are observing it on a daily chart. Okay, the condition is necessary, the daily chart. Okay, we are again going to see that what we have seen earlier. Okay, this was the, just I am changing the pointer here. So this was the pattern that we are seeing here. Just a minute. Okay, this was the pattern that I have taken from it, for example. So don't take it as normally. So this pattern was very strong. You can make many number of losses if you are buying here the stocks. Okay, so how to trade this stock? If you are in an trade, means you have bought here and here, and you are waiting for the exit. After seeing this pattern, you have to exit here or in this candle also, when the candle was closing around 320 or 325, and after that next day you should book your profits and exit from this stock. Don't entry again in this stock. So you are not getting the profit from this value. From this value the Bank of India was currently trading around just I am unzooming the chart. Okay, our pattern was here, and right now the Bank of India was here. So take a look and observe. You should observe that the volumes are also now in more and more after that day. So what is my intention regarding this pattern? So you should not in the position for buying trade or buying in the cash market and holding it for 1 year or 2 year. So it is not the case like that. So you should think and you should identify the pattern. If you are having any questions on this video, then you should ask me. Okay, so I am giving you my email ID and my details here. Okay, these are the details: email ID, website. We are also on Facebook. My mobile number was also there. You should call me if you are having any doubts. Okay, and also come on my website for 2 best intraday calls, just that I am posting 1 day before. If you are having any questions, you can post on this, or also you can post on this video. If you like this video, then you should also write the comment on this video, and you should also share and subscribe for next upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in.